You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? We are looking at how to pronounce these names. We'll be looking at how to say more confusing vocabulary and names that too many people mispronounce. Xanadu, za, yes, a Z sound, a Z sound. Ne, a schwa sound here. Do, stress on the first syllable, an idealized place of great or idyllic magnificence and beauty. Xanadu, Xanadu. And now you know. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. More videos for you here to learn more. Thanks for watching, and thanks for all. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon, and thanks for watching.